friends, today I will draw a space shuttle, the Colombian space shuttle. Spanish, space shuttle transportador espacial. I want to draw a NATO line. Another line here, another line. Four. Here we got the airport. Next we're going to draw like lines here. What he has. We're going to draw like this line and another line. We draw a line here. This. We're going to draw like fire. More fire. Finish with the fire. We're going to make like a line here. For the nose, I will draw a curve. I start here. I will start here. I will draw a line. I will draw like windows. Of the spacecraft. Of this spacecraft. Space shuttle. This. Okay. Go. Two windows. We're going to draw the wings. Start with one here, two here. We'll make lines there and small line. This line there. Like that space shuttle. And finish the wings. Maybe you got to make them like around here. Okay. Spell US. Spell NASA. I'll draw like this lines for cargo. This opens in space. Cargo in Spanish is carga. Cargo is that. We finished the space shuttle. We're going to draw like the rocket. I start here. And I start there. I start there. I go here. 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 Make like lines in here. More lines. Finish those lines. And this is called the solid rocket boosters. We're going to draw more solid rocket boosters. More lines of solid rocket boosters. This is how it's going to be a space shuttle. Now we draw the external tank. More lines. We have the space shuttle! Now we're going to make the big building for the space shuttle. Okay, now this is going to be a simple build. We make like the elevator for the astronauts, the elevator. Like lines. Draw more doors from the elevator. Finish the elevator. Next, we're going to draw like these lines. This ones. Like for the astronauts. Okay. So NASA. Okay. Now we have it. Next, we're going to paint all the colors we want. We'll paint the windows like black.
Thank you for watching us.
Subscribe to our channel.